How to change language on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to change language on Facebook. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Facebook and make sure that you sign into your account. Navigate to three-line icon at top right corner. Scroll down. Choose Setting and Privacy. Now tap on Language from this menu bar. Currently, it has been set to device language. You can easily scroll down to see the list of languages available on this application. You can easily choose any of your language as per your convenience. So right now, let's choose English by tapping on the circle next to it. And then we have successfully changed language on Facebook. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.